Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see two trigonometrical question belongs to chapter 21 of Trigonometrical Identities Concise Mathematics textbook. Let's see the first question. First question is 1 by 1 plus cos A plus 1 by 1 minus cos A, which is equal to 2 cosecant square A. This is what we have to prove it. So here we can take actually LHS only, because in the LHS it is of cos, and in the RHS we have to convert the cos to cosecant. So let's start doing it. So if I take the LHS equal to, so we can take an LCM. So can we take an LCM? So 1 is 1 plus cos A and 1 minus cos A. This is what our LCM, because we don't have any common factor. So just multiply the denominator, that is your LCM. So now here 1 into what is left over. So when I multiply this whole fraction with the LCM, this 1 plus cos A, 1 plus cos A will get cancelled. So we left with 1 minus cos A. And for the second term, 1 and 1, if I multiply this with LCM, 1 minus cos A, 1 minus cos A will get cancelled. So we left with 1 plus cos A. So we can multiply this one. So what we can do, 1 into anything is going to be the same. So 1 minus cos A plus 1 plus cos A. And in the denominator, this is of the form A plus B into A minus B. So we can use that identity. What it is equivalent to? A square minus B square. So what is our A in this denominator? It is 1. So 1 square is going to be 1 only. So I am writing this as 1 minus cos square A, because our B is cos. So as per the formula, it is going to be cos square A. And yes, if we see in the numerator, cos A and this cos A will get cancelled, because the signs are alternate. Minus cos A plus cos A got cancelled. So we left with 1 plus 1, which is 2. And here 1 minus cos square A is nothing but what? By identity, we know one identity, which is sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. Then if I move this to the other side, it will become 1 minus cos square A. So what is 1 minus cos square A? It is sin square A. And still we required in term of cosecant, right? So 2 into this, I can write it as 1 by sin square A. So what is 1 by sin? What is the inverse of sin? It's nothing but cosecant. So 2 cosecant square A, which is equal to RHS. So hence proved. So we'll see to the next question. And here it is cosecant A by cosecant A minus 1 plus cosecant A by cosecant A plus 1, which is equivalent to secant square A. We have to prove. Same we will follow. We'll take the LHS. We'll take the LCM. Why we are doing this LCM? Because it is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. So we can simplify it. That's the reason we are taking an LCM. So if we take an LCM, what will be the LCM? Cosecant A minus 1 into cosecant A plus 1. And up it will be, the first term will be cosecant A into cosecant A plus 1, and the second term is going to be cosecant A into cosecant A minus 1. So yes, so we can solve this still. So we are going to multiply this cosecant A with the inside terms. So what it will become? Cosecant square A plus cosecant A. And here also the same, we are going to multiply the common cosecant A with the inside two terms. So what is going to become? Plus cosecant square A minus cosecant A divided by, so in the division it is in the form of again A plus B, A minus B. So we can write it as cosecant square A minus 1 square is nothing but 1. So actually we have used an identity A plus B into A minus B, which is A square minus B square. So if you look into the numerator, see plus cosecant A minus cosecant A is getting cancelled. The remaining is cosecant square A. So it is 2 cosecant square A. There are two cosecants are there, right? So we are adding and keeping it as 2 cosecant square A and divided by what we have, cosecant square A minus 1. And if you look into the denominator, so actually we have an identity called so the identity is 1 plus cot square A equal to cosecant square A. So we are going to use this identity to the denominator. So when I am writing it, my numerator is going to be the same, 2 cosecant square A divided by, so cosecant square A is going to become what? 1 plus cot square A. So 1 plus cot square A, and already 1 minus 1 is there, that also we have to input over here. So plus 1 and minus 1 is getting cancelled. So we left with 2 cosecant square A by cot square A. Still we are not getting the answer as 2 secant square A, right? So what we can do, we can split this cosecant and cot with respect to sine and cos. Okay, so what is cosecant? It is 1 by sine square A, right? So I am writing here as 2 by sine square A, the whole divided by, what is cot square A? Cot square A is nothing but cos by sine. So it is cos square A by sine square A. So if you look into it, sine square will get cancelled. So we left with 2 by cos square A. So what is 1 by cos square A? It is secant square A. So I can write 2 secant square A, which is equal to RHS. Hence, this is also proved. Hope you understood. Thank you.